Was that necessary? Probably not. I thought I ordered a pin. Oh my gosh. You can already tell what kind of pin this is gonna be. That's why I got it. Shut the vacuum. Today we're just gonna be unboxing some pins. I have something to show you today. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ta-da! Beautiful. Wow, that's actually really nice. I got this pin off of Amazon, and if you are a pin collector and love Harry Potter, I think you're gonna love this. It has all the house colors in here, you know, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, Gryffindor. Wow, this is a really, okay, I'm gonna open it. That is so nice. That is super nice. Okay, we're gonna do the back. Look at the shine on that. It has the gold accents, super colorful. This is so nice. I'm so happy with this pin. Oop. Oh, look at that, you can see it. Immediately. So the theme of my pins is Halloween. And so this is a 30th anniversary pin set. So I got 2 of these. One is for a friend at each pin. Oh my goodness. Whoa. These are so nice. So here's Jack. Nice shine. Again, love the gold shine here. She looks so good. Oh my gosh. These are perfect. I love the color. This Mischievous Trio. These are the perfect gift for Nightmare Before Christmas fans. There's nothing in here. Okay. You can already tell what kind of pin this is gonna be. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Not a Halloween theme, but Disney themed. This is Hades. If you don't know, the cartoon Hercules, one of my favorite movies. This is a heavy pin. I always love Disney pins. I love these stoppers. This is so nice. I love the colors. Looks just like the cartoon. Oh, you already know what it's gonna be, huh? Uh-oh. I thought I ordered a pin. This is a magnet. I'm gonna have to double check that. This is the Amazon haul. Okay, ooh, pins are at the bottom. Okay, ooh, I wonder what this is. So I know what this is, it's for my wife. So this one is another Halloween theme, and dun 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 dun, Hocus Pocus. The first time I watched Hocus Pocus was on VHS as a kid. My cousins were babysitting me, and I was so scared from this movie. I had a nightmare that night. 30 years later, this movie is one of my favorite Halloween movies. So these are Loungefly. The black flame candle, nice touch. She has book, or a version of book. There's no eyeball. She has her magic with the vacuum. That's why I got it. She had the vacuum. These are really nice. I love the colors. I need to go find my lanyard that I had. When I was a kid, when we would go to Disney, I would collect all of the pins when I was at the park. Oh my God, I'm breaking it already. This one is going to be very cool. Oh wow, that was nice. So I did not get this one from Amazon, as you can tell. Thank you. That was really nice. I really love that. She's already going to get 5 stars. I haven't even seen the product yet. There could be nothing in here. Oh my gosh. Is the suspense killing you? Because it's killing me. Oh wow. I love the box that it came in. It's supposed to be glow in the dark. Oh my God. So they slide up. Oh, it's like, I have to look at the back. I don't want to. Let's do it there. Whoa, do you see this? I love this pin so much. And it slides up and down. Was that necessary? Probably not. I don't want to give it away, but... Dun-da-da. Nothing. Okay. Dun-da-da. How can you not have a Hocus Pocus theme without a black flame candle? I don't even want to open it. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Awesome. My final 2 pins came in and I'm not sure which is which, so we're just gonna take a guess. Now I forget. Okay. I think they're both Halloween themed. Oh man, this is an intense wrapping. Oh my God. Oh, okay. I'm gonna save this last. We're gonna go with this one first. Pretend you did not see me start to open it. Oh, right. Okay. Disney Halloween collection. I wish I could go to Disney and get this myself. The next best thing is finding someone online who lives in Florida who is willing to go to Disney World for the day. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, I love the colors. It's reminiscent of last year's Halloween theme. Remember I don't know if you ever saw my Disney mug that I opened up? That's from last year's Halloween. I looked at the Halloween pin collection and this is the one that stuck out at me. I love the castle, love the pumpkins, and I love Goofy, Donald, and Mickey. I think they're so cool. Oh my God, this is fun. Grand finale. I should have known by the wrapping. I mean, it's probably coincidence, but you know, of course, I would want to be in the park getting those pins. That's how I started my collection. But sometimes you go to the park, not during Halloween, and you still want to get those pins. So this pin, I believe, is from last year's Halloween. And I missed out big time getting this pin. Oh man, I'm trying not to. It's one of my favorite Disney villains. Oh my God. Maleficent. So to celebrate the 100th anniversary, Pink a la Mode had exclusive pins and I completely missed out. Wow, this is super cool. Okay, why I love this pin, it just captures all the movement. She's on top of her castle here and she's creating that storm. This pin captures all of that movement. This is a big pin and it glows in the dark. Oh my God. Can you see that even? See that? It's the turret. Oh my God, it all glows in the dark, I think. Can you see it if I close it? See, you could kind of see it, right? I'm really happy with this one. This one, again, I bought online, bought from someone, and paid a little more than what I would have liked, but a lot less than what they were going for. If you've been loving my pins or just Halloween in general, definitely recommend checking out this video because if you love Halloween as much as I do, you might find something really good here. Here's an update, real time. Yeah, it's a magnet for refrigerators and lockers.